Most women believe that training more days automatically means getting stronger. But strength doesn't grow from randomness or exhaustion. It grows from structure, strategy, and smart weekly planning. If you train legs 3 times this week, skip upper body, add random cardio, and repeat different exercises every session, your body has no clear signal to adapt or grow stronger. Your muscles need a clear weekly signal: when to push hard, when to recover, and when to challenge the same movement again with more strength and control. Here's the structure that works best for most women who want real strength: 4 focused training days, 1 or 2 recovery days, and clear muscle priorities each session. Day 1 should focus on lower body strength. This is where you build your foundation using compound movements that challenge your glutes, hamstrings, and quads with controlled, powerful repetitions. For each exercise, aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Keep the weight challenging but controlled. Focus on form over heavy numbers to maximize strength safely. Day 2 focuses on upper body push and pull movements. Balancing chest, shoulders, and back ensures proper posture, joint health, and functional strength, not just toned arms. For upper body, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Focus on slow, controlled movements, keeping shoulders stable and elbows aligned to prevent injuries and maximize strength. Day 3 is dedicated to recovery and mobility. Proper stretching, foam rolling, and light movement help muscles repair, improve flexibility, and prevent injuries while preparing your body for the next session. Day 4 introduces lower body variations. Changing exercises slightly prevents plateaus, challenges muscles differently, and ensures continuous strength effective for glutes, quads, and hamstrings. For these variations, perform 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Maintain controlled tempo, pause at the bottom, and focus on full range of motion to maximize glute and leg activation. Day 5 targets core and stability. Strengthening your core improves posture, balance, and overall strength, supporting both lower and upper body exercises for safer, more effective training sessions. For core exercises, hold planks for 30 to 45 seconds, 3 sets. For dynamic moves like bird dogs or mountain climbers, aim for 12 to 15 controlled repetitions, focusing on alignment and stability. Rest days are crucial for strength gains. Muscles grow and repair during recovery, not just training. Adequate sleep, light activity, and nutrition accelerate progress and prevent injuries. Proper nutrition fuels strength gains. Prioritize lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Timing meals around workouts supports energy, recovery, and muscle growth, ensuring each session maximizes results safely. Tracking progress is essential. Record weights, reps, and energy levels. Journaling helps identify patterns, measure improvement, and adjust workouts smartly, ensuring consistent strength gains and avoiding plateaus over time. A proper warm-up prepares your body for intense training. Dynamic stretches, joint mobility, and light cardio increase blood flow, reduce injury risk, and prime muscles for maximum performance. Cooling down is essential. Gentle stretches, slow movements, and deep breathing help muscles relax, reduce soreness, and improve flexibility, preparing your body for faster recovery and long-term strength gains. A balanced weekly workout plan alternates push, pull, and lower body sessions. Combining strength, recovery, and core work ensures consistent growth, prevents overtraining, and creates a sustainable long-term fitness routine. Upper body push day focuses on chest, shoulders, and triceps. Prioritize controlled presses, push-ups, and shoulder raises to maximize muscle engagement while maintaining proper form and avoiding injury. Upper body pull day targets the back, biceps, and rear shoulders. Focus on rows, pull-ups, and face pulls to strengthen posture, prevent imbalances, and maximize pulling power safely. Lower body day focuses on quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Squats, deadlifts, and lunges build strength, improve mobility, and create a powerful foundation for overall athletic performance. Core and stability day strengthens abs, obliques, and deep stabilizers. Planks, bird dogs, and anti-rotation exercises improve posture, balance, and functional strength for safer, more effective workouts. Active recovery days improve blood flow and flexibility. Gentle yoga, mobility drills, and light cardio help reduce soreness, prevent injury, and prepare your body for the next strength session. By following a balanced weekly plan, alternating push, pull, lower body, core, and recovery days, you maximize strength, prevent injury, and ensure consistent long-term progress.